I believe in real estate.
Yes, yes, you do.
I do. I
yes.
know.
Yes.
I love property the way some women love shoes. You know,
yes.
I do.
Because it's our
God
anchor.
isn't making any more land, okay?
That's
this is
right.
what we got here on the planet Earth. You're not getting any more. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
And also the properties are our anchor. It's where we, you know, can be comfortable. And so I have a few pickup trucks.
Oprah Winfrey isn't just the queen of talk shows.
Then we'll meet back here in a month and we'll talk
Going around the house, and the inside feels as good as the outside.
Take a good look at this audience today. All of them are
Today is your lucky day.
Did you know she's also one of the savviest real estate investors in the world? With properties worth over $100 million. Oprah's portfolio is more than luxury. It's a lesson in strategy. And in this video, I will take you inside her iconic estates and reveal the genius strategies that make her a real estate powerhouse. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video for more videos on real estate and building design. Oprah's real estate journey didn't start with multi-million-dollar estates. In fact, her first major real estate move was in 1985 when she bought a Chicago home for $2.5 million, which she later sold for profit. This early success laid the foundation for her belief in the power of real estate as both an investment and a vehicle. Oprah's promised land estate in Montecito, California is a symbol of elegance and foresight. Spanning over 70 acres, the property is valued at more than $100 million. But for Oprah, it's more than just a home, it's her sanctuary. Purchased in 2001 for approximately $50 million. This estate has appreciated significantly due to Montecito's status as a haven for the ultra-wealthy. The estate features include a 23,000 square foot neo-Georgian mansion with intricate architectural detailing, expansive gardens, an avocado grove and a koi pond, panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean and the Santa Ynez Mountains. What sets this property apart is its privacy, a non-negotiable for someone in Oprah's position. Her ability to recognize Montecito as an up-and-coming luxury destination years ago highlights her knack for spotting trends before they peak. Her choice of Montecito in the early 2000s, for instance, was a strategic move to align herself with a growing trend of affluent buyers seeking privacy and serenity. The area has since become one of California's most desirable locations, a huge testament to Oprah's foresight in picking investments that cater both to luxury and tranquility. Here, also, Oprah worked closely with renowned architect Terry Cunningham to add more value to the property. Oprah has often spoken about how this home has been her refuge, offering not just privacy but a deep sense of peace that aligns with her personal need for serenity away from the public eye. Oprah's Hawaiian properties, particularly her 163-acre estate in Maui, reflect her commitment to sustainable living. She transformed much of this land into a working farm where she grows organic produce and preserves the local ecosystem. Oprah's Maui estate includes several small cottages and wide open spaces that prioritize natural beauty over opulence. She also owns a 21-acre ranch in Kula, which she purchased for approximately $32 million. Why Hawaii, if we may ask? The state's real estate market is fueled by its status as a global tourist destination and its limited availability of land, which drives prices up over time. Oprah's investment in Maui wasn't just about luxury. It was about connecting with the land and ensuring her properties align with her values on sustainability and mindfulness. Her philanthropic endeavors often overlap with her investments in real estate. Her Maui estate, for example, is home to a community-supported agricultural project that provides organic produce to local residents. Her belief in giving back through land stewardship is part of her broader commitment to social responsibility. Oprah's portfolio isn't confined to one region or type of property. In fact, she owns homes in Colorado, a ski retreat near Telluride, perfect for relaxation and leisure. She owns home in Washington State, a shadowed waterfront estate offering unmatched privacy. She owns in Chicago, her former base, which she sold after transitioning her focus to the West Coast. Now, this geographic diversification shields her investments from market volatility. Each location was chosen for its unique appeal. from Colorado's tranquil mountains to Washington's serene waterscapes. By spreading her assets, Oprah ensures her portfolio remains stable regardless of regional real estate trends. Oprah's approach to real estate is grounded in a mix of passion, practicality, and foresight. Here are her top strategies. 1. Prime locations. Oprah always chooses properties in desirable, high-value areas like Montecito and Maui. The key, focus on areas with limited land supply and high demand. Number 2. Long-term thinking. Rather than flipping houses, Oprah holds onto properties that appreciate over time. This patient approach has made her estates much more valuable. Flipping real estate assets isn't a bad idea if you want quick profits. I just want to give you that disclaimer. The third one is personalization. Oprah doesn't just buy homes, she transforms them. From renovating the Montecito estate to creating a sustainable farm in Maui, she ensures her investments reflect her personal values. The fourth one here is privacy first. Every property offers solitude, an essential for someone of her stature, her caliber. She prioritizes gated communities, large acreage, and off-the-grid locations. And the fifth one here is sustainability. Her Hawaiian farm exemplifies her dedication to eco-friendly living. This not only adds value, but also aligns with growing trends in real estate. Actionable tips for you from Oprah Winfrey. Now, one is, you don't need Oprah's billions to follow her strategies. Start by researching neighborhoods with increasing property value or areas that attract tourism. Even a modest home in an up-and-coming area can offer substantial returns with patience and thoughtful upgrades. The second one here is, when evaluating a property, Oprah looks at key metrics like the potential for appreciation, the cost per square footage, and whether the property aligns with her long-term investment goals. For instance, the value of her Montecito estate has nearly doubled in the last decade, showing that her patience and strategy is paying off and has paid off. That is what you should be doing. The third one here is, Oprah doesn't just buy homes, she transforms them. Our Maui estate, for example, started as a largely undeveloped plot of land before she implemented sustainable farming practices, making it a model for eco-conscious real estate development. This teaches you not to overlook affordable underdeveloped properties in star locations that you can easily upgrade to make a nice return on investment. Oprah Winfrey's real estate empire isn't just about luxury. It's a masterclass in how to build wealth with vision and purpose. From Montecito to Maui, her investments teaches us to prioritize location, sustainability, and long-term value. Whether you are dreaming of a starter home or your own promised land, remember this: real estate is as much about the heart as it is about the wallet. What did you find most inspiring about Oprah's strategies? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and to subscribe for more insights into real estate and building design. Till then, see you. Bye.